I'm just actually going to mute.
Is the frequency in use? MM0OPX. MM0OPX is the frequency in use. Okay, hopefully my audio is coming through okay on the stream. CQ, 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 Mike 0 Oscar Papa X-ray, Mike 0 Oscar Papa X-ray, CQ40. CQ40, CQ40, CQ on 40, Mike 0 Oscar Papa X-ray, MM0 OPX, CQ on 40. CQ40, CQ40, CQ, CQ, CQ40, CQ40, Mike 0 Oscar Papa X-ray, MM0 OPX, CQ, CQ, over.
Zero OPX, the Delta Alpha Fox, I wonder if you copy it.
Delta Alpha Fox?
Roger, roger, good afternoon Colin, name's Dale, Delta Alpha Lead.
Hi Dale, I didn't catch the call sign, give me the call sign again, over.
Yeah, okay, Colin, yes, it's Mexico 3, Mike 3, Delta Alpha Foxtrot.
Okay Dale, Mexico 3 Delta Alpha Foxtrot, you're about 5 and 7, 57, if you're watching on the stream you'll be able to hear yourself back Dale. I do have quite a high noise floor here, but you're making it through okay, and yeah, it's a lovely day here today, nice and snowy, which makes a nice change. M3DAF, MM0OPX.
Yeah, okay, Colin, no problem. Thanks for the 5 and 7, 5 and 8. You're 5758 also with me. So say the name's Dale and we're located 12 miles north of the city of Derby, Colin.
Yeah, fine Dale, no problem at all. Well, you're the first one in the log, and I'm just testing out really this new computer. Just trying live streaming, so we'll see what it's like. Yeah, it's all still new to me. I wouldn't say I'm a technical Dale, but so have you got any snow down in Derby, Dale, over?
Negative snow. We did have the other day. When would it be? I think it was Wednesday. Wednesday we had probably about an inch. That's all, about an inch, and by dinner time it was all gone. But we've had very, very heavy frosts down here. We've got -3 degrees at the moment. Everywhere's frosted over, and it's been like this now for the past 2 days. So yeah, mighty cold, Colin out.
Yeah, fine, Dale. Yeah, it was much the same here. -3, -4. The last couple of days, the frost just never lifted. And then woke up. We weren't expecting the snow. It kind of missed us. But then we got up this morning, and there was about 3 inches of snow. So I've spent about 3 hours this morning shoveling out the drive for us and some of the neighbours. I won't hold it there, Dale, if you don't mind. I'll try and make a couple more calls there. We'll see who else we could get. Maybe go up to 20 metres, but it's just a short stream this morning. Great to work with you for the first time, I think. I don't even have my log here to check that, so it's a brand new log. I need to import my old one. Back to you for the final. M3DAF, MM0OPX.
Yeah, from Mike 3 Delta Alpha Fox returning. Fine business, Colin. Well, so to say, you're putting out a good signal at the moment, and it's all down to bank conditions. But yeah, great to work you. Good luck with the station. Wish you best 73. Stay warm, stay safe, and have yourself a wonderful Christmas. Been a pleasure. Take care, Colin. All the best. Bye-bye.
Yeah, cheers Dale. Have a great Christmas when it comes there. I see a couple others on the stream there, but I'm kind of weak. I'm just running barefoot here. Stu says I'm 5 and 2, 5 and 3. Alright, CQ, MM0OPX, listening on 40. Somebody's there, but you're very weak. Try again. No, not got you. CQ, MM0OPX, MM0OPX, listening on 40. CQ40, CQ40, Mike 0 Oscar Papa X-ray MM 0 OPX, listening on 40. CQ40, CQ on 40, MM 0 OPX, listening on 40. CQ40, CQ40, Mike 0 Oscar Papa X-ray MM 0 OPX, CQ on 40. Yeah, thanks Dale. Thanks Stu. CQ, Mike 0 Oscar Papa X-ray MM 0 OPX, listening. CQ40, CQ40, Mike 0 Oscar Papa X-ray MM 0 OPX, CQ on 40. CQ40, CQ40, Mike 0 Oscar Papa X-ray, Mike 0 Oscar Papa X-ray. You were really weak, Stu, couldn't even make you out. CQ, Mike 0 Oscar Papa X-ray. Aye, nice and clear there, Stu. G5, let's get you in the log. Yep, you've came right up there. I couldn't even hear you before. Barely could tell somebody was there, but you're probably 5 and 7 now, over.
Yeah, you just come up a little bit. I've not changed anything since my information back down. You were 5 and 7, 5 and 7, over.
Roger with the 5 and 7, Stu. What's your beam? Is it a 3LE or is it the 4LE you've got? Faded out there, Stu. I'm assuming it's the Stereo, I think you maybe said. I've got one at my parents' house. I've got the 3 element. It was a fantastic antenna. I worked the world on it, and I was able to just shorten it by like 1 screw length. So I think basically the outer elements or the outer sections of each element, I just shortened them by one hole, drilled a new hole, so I could always somebody could use it for a living again if they wanted to. But it's a fantastic antenna. But I can actually set up the Moxon here quicker than what I can with that antenna, and the Moxon's a bit lighter. Wonder if you hear me now. G5 STU MM 0 OPX. Okay, mate, 7-3, Stu, appreciate your call and cheers, have fun with that beam. QRZ, MM 0 OPX. CQ40, CQ40, MM 0 OPX, Mike 0 Oscar Papa X-ray, CQ on 40. Yeah, shame, Mike. Going a couple more calls and then we're going to go to 20. CQ40, Mike 0 Oscar Papa X-ray, MM 0 OPX. Okay, we're going to QSY to 20, I think.
For the 9, thank you very much for the contact. Here the name is Maxime, Mike Alpha X-ray.
Meter nördlich. Die Provinz heißt Castellón. Ja, okay. Wir haben gutes Wetter, Wilfried, 15 Grad.
Papa Bravo Zero Romeo, Portugal Station from Turtle Island, please.
The frequency in use, MM 0 OPX. The frequency in use, MM 0 OPX. Yeah, bands are horribly noisy. It must be that Aurora last night. CQ20, 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 MM0OPX, MM0OPX, CQ on 20. CQ20, CQ20, CQ, CQ, CQ20, CQ20, Mike 0, Oscar, Papa X-ray, CQ, CQ, CQ20, CQ20, Mike 0, Oscar, Papa X-ray, CQ on 20. Is there Golf Delta Delta Papa? Try again. Yeah, Delta Delta Papa. Yeah, you're right in my noise here. Is it Golf 3 Delta Sugar Delta Papa something? I just can't make you out, I'm afraid. Can't make you out. Anyone else? Mike 0, Oscar, Papa X-ray listening.
Golf 5, Sierra Tango uniform.
You're stronger here than you were on 40. That's amazing. I always find short skip fascinating on 20, Stu.
Yeah, absolutely. I was chatting to somebody, I forget who it was, in Scotland yesterday on this band. He was very loud, much louder than he was on 40, and it's the same for you. You're a solid 5'9" to me, over.
Yeah, you're 9 plus 5 here. That's incredible. But I've just noticed I'm getting my antenna's actually probably 10 feet, you know, at one part of it from the radio, so I can see that I'm getting a little bit RF here back into the radio. I think when I type, I think it's actually the wireless keyboard. Maybe if I go to a wired keyboard, it might be okay. But no, you're booming here. There was another station, I think it was a G3, but I could hardly hear him. But you came right over the top of him over.
Yeah, Roger. I'm actually recording it to send on my phone to put on my second YouTube channel. I've created a second channel just for putting recordings and stuff on of good content.
Hopefully people will kick back in a sec. What I noticed was, so basically your outer elements, you know, you've got the elements, but then you've got different sections. You need to basically shorten those sections because there's not enough in the gamma match to actually tune it on 10. So I think, if I remember off the top of my head, you've got two screws that basically the elements screw together. So I think on the outer sections, I think I moved them in one screw hole, screwed it, then you need to drill another hole, then I just used the same screw again, if that makes sense. But you physically need to shorten the elements to get it to work on 10. But once you do that, you could then fine tune it with the gamma match and it'll work a treat, over.
Yeah, Roger. Well, what I've done is I've used the tuning chart that comes with it. There's a tuning chart, and you basically pick the frequency you want it to work on, and it tells you exactly how to cut the outer elements. So I've followed that exactly, and I've positioned the gamma match exactly how it says to on the instructions there for 28500 is the frequency I've picked. So hopefully, all being well, once I get it up, it will be somewhere near handy, over. Yeah,
no, that's good. Yeah, because it will perform different on the ground, because you could put it up at 5 feet or whatever and just tune it. But by the time you get it up, typically your resonant frequency will actually get lower. The higher it goes, the resonant frequency. So if you can get it up like 5 feet or something, it might be resonant somewhere like 28.6 or 28.7. By the time you get it up at full height, it'll then drop down to where you want it. But you'll have fantastic fun with that, Stu. You really will. This time of year as well, you'll know in 10 you'll start getting the short stuff, and you'll get like the sporadic here around about Christmas as well. You'll get some cracking DX in it, mate, over.
Yeah, fantastic. No, I'm really looking forward to it. A mate of mine, he basically spends his life on 10 metres. He's got a couple of teams, and he's always on the higher bands, you know, and he's always raving about it. He says the bands are always open, it's just you guys with the wires can't hear it, over.
No, you're right, and especially the way things are at a minute here, you'll be booming into the States every afternoon. Come 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you'll put a call out on 10, and it could be like a dead band, and then you'll just get a pile up of the States. It's like having stacked Yagis and kilowatts on 20 metres. So it's nice that us guys can actually do that. Stay over.
Yeah, Roger. Well, this is likely to complain, but obviously give it a few months using this and we'll probably upgrade it to a tri-bander or something, Colin, over?
Yeah, I actually have one of those tri-banders. It's not in the greatest condition. Stuck at my parents' as well. I think it's like a Waymo ZX mini beam for 20, 15 and 10, and it's not actually much bigger than that Serial 3 Element, so that's worth a shot. And it does work. You do get a bit of gain of it, and you get it high enough, it works really well. So no, that's the way to do it. And they look terrible when they're down on the ground, but see when they're up in the air, they don't look bad at all. Stu, over.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, I'm aiming to put this one 5 metres high. You know, obviously that's a half wave, isn't it, on 10 metres? And what I'll do is I'll stick it up and then see what the tune's like, and then I'll just lean it over to adjust the gamma match until I get it right, and then it's tuned at the height it's going to be used at, Colin. That's the plan anyway, mate. I just need to find a big hammer so I can bang a big pole in the ground to stick it onto, and then obviously a load of guy wires to keep it up there, but I'm not sure it'll hold up in the wind, so we might have to take it down in the wind, but it'll be good for a bit of fun. Anyway, mate, I'll say 7 for 8. Hopefully you'll work a few more here on 20 on the short skip, because you're absolutely romping in. Obviously you're in Scotland, I'm right on the south coast of England, so I'm not sure what it'll be like into G further up north, but you never know, Colin, ever?
Yeah, no, I'll give a couple more calls here, then I'm going to go and make myself some lunch. All the best, do have fun with the beam, and yeah, so your target is to get some contacts in the log and to get stateside in the log by the end of the day, and you should be able to do that, Stu, because the band will probably be open until 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, sometimes it even goes into darkness. Maybe not with the storm, but you never know. We're on the dayside side of it. Good luck, mate. Cheers, Stu.
Yeah, lovely. Well, I've actually got a sked organised later with Bobby in the Falkland Islands. We're going to try and make the contact. He's on the hex beam, so he's promised we'll try and make the contact later, so that'll be good. MM0 OPX, Colin, thank you for the contact. Have fun, mate. GE clear. Bye-bye.
Cheers, Stu. Bye-bye. QRZ, anyone else quickly? This is MM0 OPX listening. CQ20, CQ20, CQ, CQ, CQ20, MM0 OPX, MM0 OPX on 20. CQ20, CQ20, CQ, CQ, CQ20, CQ20, Mike, Mike 0, Oscar, Papa X-ray, MM0 OPX, CQ on 20, over. Who's Italy Whiskey 2? Italy Whiskey 2? Is it Italy Whiskey 2 Oscar Hotel Papa? Yeah, I can hardly hear you. You're 53 in the clear, 5 and 3 in the clear, but noise is very noisy band, terrible band conditions from the recent solar storm. But name is Colin, Charlie Oscar Lima, Italy, November, and located not far from Edinburgh. Italy Whiskey 2 Oscar Hotel Papa, MM0 OPX. Okay, well, wish you 73 all the best. Thanks for the short call. You're just too low, I'm afraid. QRZ, MM0 OPX listening.
Mike 1, Alpha, Oscar Bravo. Alpha Bravo 09 is no portable.
Yeah, portable station standby, Mike 1, Alpha, Oscar Bravo. Familiar call. Name's Colin up near Edinburgh, over.
Yeah, Colin 5 and 7, 57. Good to work you on 20 metres. We've had a couple of contacts on 40. But nice to work you on 20. I mean 5 and 7, Colin, 57.
Roger on the 5 and 7. I don't have my old log. What's the name again, over?
Yeah, the name is Richard, Romeo India, Charlie Hotel, Alpha, Radio Delta, and the QT8, shift 8 hold really in North 7.
Thanks, Richard. Yeah, I'm still just finding my way around about this computer, and I need to download my old logs. I've got them on a backup, and the same from the live streams that we did, the mega streams. I need to get them downloaded into this cross software here, so I could know at least if we've had a previous QSO. But great to see 20 on short skip. I think that's fantastic. Normally I only see that in the summertime over.
Yeah, that's right. I work hard up in Hartfield. He's on the ECA, one of the castles, and I managed to get him, but he was quite a bit lower than you are. He's only about 3 and 3, but I managed to get him. But yeah, 20 metres can be up and down for the G, but nice to work you. Just a signal report, Colin, please.
Yeah, 5 and 7, Richard. 57 over.
Roger, Roger. You got off your calling here. I'll let you crack on, Matt, and hopefully catch you on the next mega stream.
Yeah, I think the next one, I can't remember when the next one is. I think it's not far away, but I'm not sure. I think it's over the Christmas holidays, but we'll just have to see if I could make or not. Thanks very much, Richard, for giving me a call. We'll catch you again. MM0PX.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
Okay, there was a portable station. Portable station, go ahead.
Yes,
I just got the Sicily Island and portable, given the call a few times.
the call is Papa Bravo Zero Romeo. Papa Bravo Zero Radio. Portable station from Sicily Island.
Yeah, I think it was Bravo Oscar Radio was the suffix, but I didn't catch the prefix. What's the prefix over?
The prefix is Papa. Papa, Papa, Bravo, Bravo, Zero, Zero, Romeo, Romeo.
Is it Papa Bravo Zero Romeo?
Yes, that is correct. That's the right call. Portable station from Sicily Island,
Okay, yeah, you're about a 5 and 3, 5 and 4 in the clear, but the conditions really up and down here. Name is Colin, and I'm just located not too far from Edinburgh. Over.
Yes, the name here is Rob. It's also Robert. Pushing about 60 watts in a 20 meter long line, a couple of thousand watts of QSL.
Yeah, QSL. Well, I'm around 100 watts here, and into just it's an off-centre fed dipole actually there, and it's not up particularly high. I wish you all the best, 73, and hope for some maybe better conditions next time. Papa Bravo Zero Romeo, MM0PX. Cheers.
Yes, thank you for the call and accepting the call. Enjoy the rest of your day. 73.
Yeah, 73. Okay, anyone else just before I go QRT? QRZ, Mike 0, Oscar, Papa X-ray. Okay, Hotel Bravo 9, something?
Roger, Hotel Bravo 9, Hotel India Ontario, Hotel India Oscar.
Yeah, Hotel Bravo 9, Hotel India Oscar. You're 55 in the clear. Name is Colin, over.
Roger, thank you for the call, 55. Report to you in your
Okay, thanks for the 5x7. What's the name? Over? Okay, Mauro, thank you very much for the call. It is difficult with the conditions, but I appreciate you trying. 73 and all the best from Scotland. HB9HIO, MM0PX. Papa Delta 0 Juliet Tango, about 55. Name's Colin, over.
Good afternoon. Mike 0, You're 5 and 9 calling in the max. You're 5 and 9, over.
Roger on the 5 and 9. What's the name, over?
The name on this line is Jacko calling. Jacko, we're working with a magnetic loop on this moment on 20 meters calling, over.
That's incredible with a magnetic loop. That's the one antenna I've only ever played with once. I built one for 40 meters, but I would really like to get one just to take on holiday, Jacko. Is it a home brew? Did you make it yourself? What type of loop is it, over?
No, it's a commercial one, Colin. It's a commercial one. One from Sony from Italy. Zero Mazzoni baby loop antenna calling over.
Oh, it's the baby loop. Yeah, I know exactly the antenna that you mean. That's incredible. I do. I think this tiny little bit of metal and it could put out a signal there. So fantastic, Jacko. So I'm glad. And you're making the trip well. 20 metres is really quite terrible this afternoon. WX here, we've still got snow, although it's not snowing, but it's mild now, so it's probably 1 or 2 degrees Celsius. But we had a hard frost last night. We had about 60 or 70 millimetres of snow through the night. Back to you, Jacko. PD0JT MM0OPX.
Italy Kilo 2, Juliet, X-ray, Papa Delta 0, Juliet Tango. Okay, Colin, thank you very much for the weather report. At this moment it's 0 degrees here in the Netherlands, and tomorrow they expect a little bit of snowfall. But at this moment the night temperature this afternoon, this night is about -4, -5. Okay, but I'm living near the coast, about 35 kilometers from the North Sea. Okay, Colin, many stations are calling, so I keep it short and briefly. Thank you very much for returning my call. A very, very good weekend over there, and many contacts on 20 meters. Mike 0, Oscar Papa X-ray, Papa Delta 0, Juliet Tango, over.
Yeah, you were peaking 5 and 8, 58, nice and clear. So if you want to hear yourself, if you look for my call sign on YouTube, you'll find the live stream at the minute, and you'll be able to hear yourself. But you're sounding really good, Jacko. 73, bye bye.
Thank you, Collins, for the comments, and I will listen to your live stream. 73, bye bye.
Bye bye. There was an Italian station, Italy station. Go ahead. Okay, QRZ MM0OPX.
Wolf Mike India.
Who's the Mike India?
Charlie Tango 2, Wolf and Mike India.
Charlie Tango 2, Golf Mike India, about a 56, over.
Okay, so I am 39, okay,
73 QRZ MM0OPX.
Golf 7, Charlie uniform.
Golf 7, Charlie uniform. Wasn't looking at the meter, but you sounded a good 57, 58, over.
Yeah, Colin, a little bit broken up, but it's the conditions, my end, I think. I've got a lot of interference this morning. What you say I was 5758 on the signal report?
Yep, you're 5 and 8, solid 58, over.
Yeah, and could you give me a call sign again, please, because I didn't have a pen to hand at the time.
Roger, the call is Mike 0, Oscar Papa X-ray, MM0OPX, name's Colin, over.
So that's Mike 0, Oscar Papa X-ray, is that correct, my friend?
Yes, that's correct, and what's my report?
You're there a 5757, a little bit quiet, but I think it's the conditions more than anything, or I haven't turned my volume up, one or the other. There's been a few big stations on and that's further down the band, and I think I turned the volume down. Operating conditions, this end is FT991A into a long wire with a 100 whiskers standard mic back here.
Yeah, no, I'm running a TS590 here, 2012 vintage. I'm running an off-center fed dipole and just 100 watts, and I didn't catch your name. What's the name, over?
Oh, sorry, it's my fault. I didn't say it. My name's David, and the location is near the city of Plymouth, and back to you.
Yeah, that's fantastic, David. Well, it's amazing to see, I've been saying that to everyone, but it's amazing to see the short skip on 20 metres there. I was just talking to Stu, G5STU, and he's down that neck of the woods as well. And he was a good signal too. So, but yeah, fantastic, David, to get you in the log. I'm live streaming at the minute on YouTube, so I'm not sure if you know that, but if you look on YouTube and look for my call sign, you'll be able to find yourself and see what you sound like. All the best, David. 73, have a great weekend. Make a couple more calls and I'm going to go QRT, make some lunch. G7CUU, MM0OPX.
Okay, my friend, you have a nice day, have a nice Christmas and a nice holiday. Back to you.
Yeah, thank you. You too when it comes. QRZ, MM0OPX.
Mike C, Golf Bravo Lima. Sugar.
You're going to have to remind me. I don't have my log, but that's familiar. I think you're just up the road. MM3GBL, over.
Hi, how you doing, Colin? MM3GBL, MM0OPX. It's Chris. Chris up in Livingston. You're 5'9", on the ground wave there, Colin, over.
Yeah, fantastic, Chris. No apologies for that. A bit unorganised today. I need to get all my logs in there. But yeah, here, no problem at all. But how is it up there? We've got about 3 inches of snow down here, over.
Yeah, much the same here, Colin. Yeah, we've got about 3 inches of snow. It's not snowing at the moment there, but yeah, hopefully it doesn't last too long there and it kind of melts away there, Colin, over.
Yeah, no, I couldn't believe it. The wee one was out in our pajamas today and our waterproof, so out sledging. That was about 7:30 this morning, so I thought make the most of it because you just never know if it's going to last. So I've spent about 3 hours this morning shoveling the drive, neighbour's drive, and the road between the houses here in the cul-de-sac. So I've done my bit for the day, taking it easy now, over.
Yeah, QSL. Yeah, the wee man, he's out there and he's all wrapped up there and he's out playing in the snow, so he's having fun there, so all good fun for the kids, as they say. So I won't keep you long, Colin, there. You've got a few callers here, so I'll let you get a few more in the log before you get some lunch there, Colin, and thanks for taking the call, mate.
Yeah, all the best, Chris. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Catch you soon. MM3GBL, MM0OPX. Cheers, Chris. Anyone else? MM0OPX listening? Who's the Papa India? QRZ? Somebody very quiet. CQ, Mike, 0, Oscar, Papa X-ray, MM0OPX. Oscar something 9. Yeah, thanks guys. 7-3. QRZ, Mike 0, Oscar, Papa X-ray. No, you're just too weak, I'm afraid. Okay, last call. I'm going to go QRT shortly. CQ. Mike 0, Oscar, Papa X-ray. Hotel Bravo 9 again? Negative. Just give me the suffix. Over. Yeah, just give me the suffix. Just the suffix, over.
Hotel Bravo 9.
Yeah, I've got Hotel Bravo 9. What's the last bit? What's the last bit of the call, over? Is it maybe Bravo Hotel Whiskey? Thanks to Hotel Bravo 9, Hotel Whiskey Sierra. Okay, you're about a 4x2, 42 here, over. But it's not used, just band is very, very noisy and conditions are not great, over. Yeah, what was my report? Over? Yeah, I just got the QSL there. Give me my report a few times. I think you said 55?
QSL, 55 for you, 55 QSL.
Yeah, QSL. Okay, I wish you 73. It's not the easiest, but I do appreciate you taking time to get the call here. I'm actually live streaming here, so if you hear me on YouTube, you can actually watch back. Okay, 73, all the best. HB9HWS, MM0OPX.
Thanks for contacting. Super, 73, bye-bye.
Okay, guys, I'll need to get out of here shortly here. Here's last call, QRZ, MM0OPX.
Okay, guys. Hopefully that was all right. Just really did this as a bit of a test. I was watching one of these videos on YouTube about setting my USB mic up. So hopefully, whether I talk loud or I talk quiet, it's okay. So I think there's 20 of you watching, so I do appreciate that. Just look at the thing. Hi Don, hi Terry, hi Paul, hi Robert. I'm not very good at multitasking. I don't have my second monitor. I need to get one that's got a DisplayPort on it. I'm using a DVI to DisplayPort cable, and I need something called an active cable, but I'd rather just change the monitor and get a second-hand DisplayPort monitor and get that done. So, over there, hi Paul. So, thanks again, guys, and yeah, conditions not great, but we did get a few in the log, so that was good. So, I appreciate those of you who made the call. All the best, guys. We'll catch you again soon. Bye for now.